Hi, Steve Pond here. I want to give you an idea of the full-sized user interface that is offered for desktop and laptop users. This is the interface that most people should use to begin with, as it is easier to work with in the beginning. Here you can find the various ways to start a new site. When you open the interface in the beginning, you will see the present screen. It has a number of different menu items along the left side. Depending on the plan you have, there may be some either missing entirely or simply grayed out. The interface you see here is similar to the one you would see with the Complete Systems Influencer plan. All the various modules are in black and clickable. In most cases, especially where the mobile phone interface is used as shown a bit later by the actual developer of both the mobile phone editor and the BizCard template, the main parts of the left menu you need to be concerned with are usually Home, the Academy, mobile and desktop sites, progressive web apps. These four menu items are universal for all paid plans. For the free plans, the PWA is not available. The access to your website, whether full-size editor or downsized for use anywhere with your mobile phone, you need to log into the system on the device you are going to use to edit a site. We recommend, in the early stages of learning, or for where you want the easiest access to all the features as clearly as possible, log into the system with your desktop or laptop browser. When you're going to use your phone to access the editor on the fly, you need to be on your phone to log in. The actual editor is dependent on the display which is being accessed for the editing. Actual site building, which is the main focus of the mobile editor, is accessed through clicking on three buttons, depending on your purpose. To initiate a new professional-grade digital business card, you click on the Create a Digital Business Card found in the center of the desktop at the top left. If you want to get right to the new site to make, you can skip a number of steps by using the Launch a Website in Record Time button at the top right of Center Desktop. To launch a new site the more traditional way, use the Mobile and Desktop Sites button on the left, below the Academy full button bar. If you want to access the various courses available for free or sale, the Academy will be the button to select. The MobileFirst-Personal platform is the most robust website editor available and is easy to understand and design the website to your requirements. Now that we have shown the way the desktop looks in full size, take a few minutes to take a tour of the new mobile editor and the professional digital business card as demonstrated by the developer of both.
Hi, my name's Ben from MobileFirst. Today we're going to take a look at two of our new products. The first one is our mobile platform experience. It's basically our MobileFirst platform on a smartphone. So you can basically do everything you've been doing on the main platform, you can now do on your smartphone. And the second product that I'm going to show you is our Digital Business Card widget. You'll actually be able to create digital business cards right on your smartphone. So let's take a look at the Digital Business Card widget. We have these two new buttons here. The first one is Create a Digital Business Card, so I'm going to click on that. And this takes you to our premium digital business card template, so you can take a look at it here. If you like what you see and want to create a digital business card similar to this, using this template, you go ahead and click the green button, choose this template. And that basically takes you in to start adding your own information, replacing this default information. So I've already loaded one up here, so let me click on the other tab. So now we're at the Digital Business Card widget. This is where you would start creating your digital business card. So I'll scroll down here. You have these sections here to create the digital business card. A header, button section, main contents, social links, QR code, and vCard. And over here on the top we have a preview site button, this green button. When you click on that, it actually toggles you to your design so that you can see how it's coming out as you edit these areas. So I pre-made one before I started this video to demonstrate it. So let me show you here. So this is the digital business card I created. And so as you're working on it, you could just be on your smartphone and click the back button, and it would take you back to the design mode. And here it is. Now, this is where you upload a profile image. If you're out on the road and you wanted to create a digital business card for someone in real time, on the spot, you could actually take a picture of them. When you click this browse button to upload a picture, your smartphone will ask you if you want to take a selfie or upload a picture. If you started the camera, you could actually take a picture of them, and that picture will be inserted here. So you can actually create a digital business card on the spot very easily. You enter their name, their title. We'll scroll down, we'll click on the next section, which is buttons. Now that I've clicked on buttons, if you scroll up, you'll notice that the header section has been closed automatically. That keeps this layout nice and clean looking. These buttons, if you click into them, you have the option to choose from different types of buttons. You can have buttons that people click on that'll take them to another page or another website. You can choose buttons that start the dialer to make a phone call to you, text messaging, a button that they can click on that'll open a modal that shows a video, or another type of button that you could choose is where you can add content, and then when people click on that button, a modal slides out and shows them in a window that content, and yeah, and a few more other things. So we'll click on main contents. This is a full text editor you have here, where you can enter maybe an about me info, about me section. That's what I have here. Let's toggle back to that one. This is the about me info here that I've added. Remember, you just click on this button here and it toggles you back and forth. Since this is a demonstration on my PC, I'm not clicking that button because this is a virtual smartphone. Anyways, here's the logo. We've uploaded it in the image uploader, and that shows up here. By the way, this is what the digital business card would look like on a desktop computer or a laptop. Now, there's other styles. You can have a logo in place of her profile image, and maybe you want a nice image of her over here on the left with the About Me section to the right, or vice versa. So many different ways to do it. So let's back up. Let's scroll down some more. I want to get to the oh, here's the button section. This is where you can add a regular button, like this one that I've added here. We have the social links. Social links are these buttons right here. QR code and V card. Now, QR code is basically the QR code that people can scan to get your digital business card, which is this right here. And the V card button right here, when people click on that, it will merge all the information, all your contact information that you include in here, in these fields, will be automatically added to their contacts list on their own smartphone when they click that V card button. So it's a real convenient way for them to get your info into their phone, if they want to do that. Let's move on to the next section. Back at the home screen, you'll notice this new button here, Launch a Website in Record Time. Now when you click on this button, it launches you right into our templates. So you can just choose a template and start creating the site. Super fast. Because when you're on a smartphone, it would help to be able to do things with less clicks. The previous way to get to these templates would be to go into the Mobile and Desktop Sites button, and this would require an additional 7 clicks before you get to that section, so we've shortened that time up. And in the desktop and mobile sites area, you'll see we've neatened it up for smartphones. Nice, pleasant looking and easy to read. We've got this new field here where it says jump to site. You click on this drop down box field and a list of sites show up, and you just click on it and it jumps right to that website, and you can start editing it right away. Or you can click on the mobile and desktop sites button. I'll click on that to show you what we have here. The first thing is the green button to go ahead and create a new site if you want to do it this way. And you can see how easy it is to read the websites that you've created here. So whatever you're looking for should be easy to spot. Nice big buttons, so you have no problem clicking on them with your finger on your smartphone. Okay, so back here at the main menu, we now want to take a look at progressive web apps. I'm going to click into that. Scroll down. Here's a couple of progressive web apps right here. Let's say we wanted to send a push notification. We'll click on the green button. Scroll down. Click on the green button again for create a push notification. And guess what? You can send push notifications to your subscribers right from your smartphone. You can even schedule them with the scheduler right here. How great is that? If you need help at any time, in the header section you'll see a field. If you go into that field, it'll open up and you can type in a phrase in there and it'll bring up help articles or video tutorials for whatever you search for. So in this video you got to look at the mobile experience, basically an idea of how you can use the platform from your smartphone. We also took a look at the new Digital Business Card widget, which is amazing. And, the progressive web apps. You can even convert a site into a progressive web app right from your phone if you wanted to. It is possible. And thanks for watching the video.